we use?
Yes, correct.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. So, no one remember when we use manipulative skills? During what? During experiment. Yes, correct. We use manipulative skills during experiment. Thank you, Ryan Rizky. Okay, so today is the last day, right? Today is the last day. We're going to learn about what are the skills that you need to have in order for you to do the experiment. It's okay, even though we cannot do the experiment together now. When you guys come back to school later, okay, we're going to do the experiment together, inshallah. So what are you seeing on your screen now? Manipulative skills, okay, is the skills for you to do the experiment. Okay, let's recap back. What are the skills that you need to have in order to do a good experiment, okay? So the first one, you need to know how to handle science apparatus and materials correctly. Okay. Yesterday, teacher already mentioned about science apparatus and materials. What is science apparatus? Okay. So, since it's our last day learning about this topic, teacher want to ask Zikri. Zikri, can Zikri turn on the microphone? Zikri?
Teacher, this book and this book.
Okay, book put aside first. After this, teacher will tell you which book you need to open. Now listen to teacher first, okay? Listen to teacher first. For the book later. Later teacher will tell you. Now focus first. Listen to me first. Okay, Zikri. Can Zikri give teacher one example of science apparatus? Do you still remember? Beaker, good job. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, teacher.
Waalaikumsalam. Okay, Hafsa still remember the other science apparatus that we have? Hafsa.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, can Hafsa tell teacher the other science apparatus that we have?
Test tube.
Test tube. Yes, correct. Just now. Thank you, Hafsa. Okay. So just now Zikri shared with us the science apparatus that we have that we need to know is a beaker. The first one is one beaker. Second one is the test tube. Okay. Safia, can Safia turn on the microphone, Safia?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Safia, can Safia share with teacher another science apparatus? Just now Zikri already said beaker, Hafsa already said test tube. Can Safia share with teacher and your friends the other science apparatus that we have?
Magnifying glass.
Magnifying glass. Good job. Thank you, Safia. Okay, Iris Rania, can you turn on the microphone?
Yes.
Can Iris share with teacher and your friends the other science apparatus that we have? Before this, we already sketched 6 science apparatus in your Tatan book.
Glass.
Yes?
Glass.
Glass?
Glove.
Oh, glove. Okay. All right. Good job. Glove. We have glove here. Okay. Can teacher have... wait. Teacher will call the name that I haven't called yet. Ryan Rizky. Just now teacher already called Ryan. Okay. So later teacher will call Ryan again. Okay. So I have to give everyone chance to answer. Right. I'm trying my best to make sure everyone got a chance to answer. Okay. Yusof, can Yusof turn on the microphone? Yusof. Filter funnel. Good job. Correct. We have filter funnel here. The blue color filter funnel. Okay. Next one. Teacher will call the name that I haven't called yesterday. Okay. I'm trying my best so that everyone get a chance to answer. Okay. Alright, so if teacher already call your name, so let's give a chance to your friend to answer as well. Alright. Okay. So teacher want to ask. No, cannot turn on the microphone, no?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so aside from beaker, test tube, glove, filter funnel, can you share with teacher another science apparatus that you know? We already sketched 6 in our Tatan book before. Beaker, your friend already said just now. Test tube, already said as well. Glove, already said as well. Filter funnel, already said as well. What else do we have?
Onion.
Onion? Onion is the specimen. Onion is the sample of something. This one, size apparatus. Apparatus. Beaker, test tube. That one is apparatus. This one, no, beside glove. What do we have here beside glove?
Conical Flush.
Yes, conical flask. All right. So this one, beside glove here, we have conical flask. This one, you can use to measure water or any solution that you want to do experiment with. Okay. Any liquid. Do you still remember what teacher told you about liquid? What is meant by liquid? Okay, to make it easier for you to remember, right? Anything that looks like water, you can consider it as liquid. You can call it as liquid. Your orange juice, strawberry juice, okay, water, those are liquid. So we can measure liquid using this one, conical flask. We can use beaker as well, okay. Then just now Yusuf already shared with us about filter funnel. Okay. Can teacher have Adam Rizkin? Adam Rizkin, what is this? Adam Rizkin? Adam Rizkin.
Teacher, dalam macam ni, restroom. Anu,
Ya,
teacher,
ya. Ya.
ada toilet. Ada toilet.
Oh, ya ke?
Okey, okey.
Tak apa.
Okey.
Okay. Siapa yang teacher haven't called yesterday? Oh, I haven't called yesterday.
Assalamualaikum, teacher.
Waalaikumsalam. Okay. Saiful. What is this, Saiful? Beside filter funnel, what do we have here? This one? What is this?
Assalamualaikum, teacher.
Waalaikumsalam. Saiful, what is this? Saiful.
Yes.
What is this? This one, beside filter funnel here. What is this?
Measuring.
Measuring. Okay, next one.
Measuring.
Okay. See? It's okay, follow teacher. Measuring. Saiful, follow teacher. Measuring.
Measuring.
Cylinder.
Cylinder.
Yes, the name of this size apparatus here is measuring cylinder. You can use to measure liquid as well. Liquid as well. Okay, so we have learned about this one as well. Okay, how to handle specimen correctly and carefully, and also after you are done with your experiment, you have to clean the science apparatus. You cannot expect someone else to clean it for you. Okay, you have to do it yourself. Okay. So this one you have to use suitable apparatus, okay, to handle the specimen as well. You cannot simply use your hand. Look at the pictures here. The first picture, we need to use the fish net. So the first picture is the correct way. This one is the correct way, okay, for you to handle the specimen. What is specimen? sample of something that you use for experiment. If you want to do experiment about a fish, that fish is the specimen. Okay. If you want to do experiment about a leaf, so that leaf is a specimen. Okay. So the second picture here is the wrong way for you to handle a specimen. You cannot simply catch the fish using your hand. Okay. Alright, even though some people use this method, this way, okay, to catch a fish, but it's better for us to use the fish net. Okay, so we need to use the fish net. Alright, so this one we have learned before. You already done the activity. You saw as well the function of this science apparatus and all. Okay. Alright, sketch we already done yesterday. Teacher want to ask. If can you turn on the microphone? If
Yes.
okay, if what is meant by sketch? If sketch,
Draw.
draw. Good job. Thank you. If okay. Alright. So today we are going to continue with store size apparatus correctly and safely. Okay. So Fatima, can Fatima turn on the microphone? Fatima.
Yeah.
Okay, Fatima, what can you see inside the picture? Here.
There's some glass, some food, and then some water.
Some food and some water. Thank you, Fatima. Good job. Okay. So, okay, so now, Fatima already shared with us just now that in this picture we have some food and water. Okay, if you go to a grocery store or if you go to shopping with your parents, right, we'll see, okay, all of this stuff will be arranged on the shelf, like this, okay, they will arrange here so that it's easier for us to choose which one that we want to buy, right? So this food and also the water here, they store on the shelf. Means they keep, okay, stores mean we keep something at its place, all right? Before this, teacher already give you the example, okay, after you play with your toys, you have to store them back. Means you have to keep them back, okay, as its place. So that is what store means, all right? Okay, how about storing science apparatus? What you need to do for storing science apparatus? Storing science apparatus, store. Falik Daniel. Falik Daniel, what is meant by store? Falik, what should we do? If we want to store the science apparatus, where we need to put the science apparatus? Into lab. Itu what sayang? Okay. It's okay, Fali. Okay, it's okay. For example, in our school, right, usually experiment, okay, will be done in a science lab, okay, in science lab. We have one science lab. But for example, that day, okay, there's some other class in the science lab, okay, but we need to do the experiment about a leaf only. So teacher will take all of you outside, okay, to do the experiment about leaf at our school playground, okay. So after we are done with the experiment, we have to keep all the science apparatus back at the science laboratory, okay. We need to keep all of the science stuff, okay, all of the science apparatus at its place. That is what we meant by store, okay. Store. Yes, who turn on the microphone? Do you have anything to ask teacher? Okay, so store mean you keep something back at its place, alright? Okay. So yesterday we already done in your activity book, okay? For magnifying glass, you can store magnifying glass together by arranging them neatly in the shelf, right? Okay, we have to keep the forceps here in its place as well. Okay, the magnets we already done in your activity book as well yesterday. For those who didn't know, what is magnets? Okay, what are you seeing on your screen now is what we call magnets. Okay, later we will learn about magnets as well. What is the function of magnet? What is the shape? What is the shape of the magnet? We will learn. Okay, don't worry. Okay, who just joined our class? Siti Aisyah, Erina. Okay. So, for today's activity, we are going to do revision since it's the last day, okay, for our manipulative skills. Can you guys take out your Tatan book? Tatan book. Today, we are going to test your observation skills. Observation skills. We're going to test your communication skills as well. Before teacher can move on to our new topic next week. Can you guys take out your Tatan book? Tatan book, do you have your Tatan book with you? Have? Okay, good job. Thank you for showing me your Tatan book. Okay, open the new page. Open the new page of Tatan book. Today we're going to test your observation skill and also...
Teacher, I already opened my book.
Yes, okay. Later we will write day and date together. Adam Rizkin. Adam, come sit down, Adam Rizkin. Come. Let's do the work together with your friend. Okay. So for those who did not turn on the camera, teacher hope you guys have your Tatan book. Okay, if you have any problem, you can just tell teacher, right? Try my best to help you. Okay. So teacher will share the screen with you. We're going to write day and date together. Okay, can you show me thumbs up if you can see my screen? Can you show teacher thumbs up if you can see my screen? Yes, okay. So inside your Tatan book, you have the line for your Tatan book, right? So make sure you use the line properly. Okay, you have to write on the line. Wait, teacher will show you. You have to practice your handwriting as well. Okay, teacher will add some line here so that it's easier for you to see. Okay. Right, so I will add some line as well in my Jamboard. Okay, so that it's easier for you to refer. Okay, let's write day and date first. Today is Friday. Friday. How to spell Friday? Okay, Friday. Friday. Okay, today is 19th already. February, February. 2021. Right inside your book. Okay, so the title for our activity today, right? So okay, you can finish out writing day and date first. Teacher will wait for you.
Teacher, I done doing it.
Okay. Alright, so the title for today, let's revise. Revise. Okay, why we need to do revision before we move on to the next topic so that you can remember what we have learned before. Let's revise. Alright, you can write this as the title. Okay. Since today is Friday, who remember which surah is the best for us to recite today? Who remember?
Wali. Alfi.
Surah Al-Kahfi. Good job. Surah Al-Kahfi. Yes, correct.
I cannot see your screen.
Okay, here you go. Okay, so Surah Al-Kahfi is the best for you to recite on Friday. Surah Al-Kahfi. Just now Erina said Surah Al-Kahfi. Erina, can Erina turn on the microphone?
Yes.
Erina, why? Why we need to recite Surah Al-Kahfi?
Kita tak pernah buku takkan.
Erina.
Ada.
It's okay. If you don't know, you can tell teacher. It's okay. Erina, you know not?
I don't know.
It's okay. You can tell teacher. Okay. If you don't know,
Teacher, I'm done.
teacher will share with you.
Friday and 19 February 2021.
The title you already done or not? Title. Ni, let's revise. Just now, teacher asked your friend about why we need to recite Surah Al-Kahfi. Okay, so Surah Al-Kahfi is for us, okay, to avoid from fitnah Dajjal. Nanti in your Tahfiz class, you can ask your Tahfiz teacher, okay. Teacher want to explain more, but we're going to do the activity first. If we still have time, later teacher will explain more, okay? Alright. Okay, so this one, after you already done writing the title, okay, what you have to do is, we are going to do the observation about this one. Observation about this one. Okay. So, Raisha, can Raisha turn on the microphone?
Teacher.
Yes. You nak dia with title? Erina, microphone Erina. Hafia, later teacher will show you the title again, okay? Okay. Alright, Raisha.
I cannot see your screen.
Wait lah, Saiful. Okay.
It's Friday.
Yes, what Saiful?
I'm not yet waiting. Let's later.
Okay, you have to wait for a while, okay? Teacher want to show this picture for you. It's okay. Teacher will show you after this, the screen. Alright. So Raisha, can you tell teacher what animal is this?
Cat.
Yes, it's a cat. Thank you, Raisha. Okay, so what you have to do is you need to observe this cat. You need to observe this cat. Okay, so this one is what you have to write inside your book, and you have to complete these sentences. Okay, sentence A, sentence B, and sentence C. After you observe the cat, alright, you have to complete all the sentences here. Okay, so the first one we are going to write in our Tatan book is A. A cat has four what? So you have to write that answer inside your Tatan book. Alright, okay, so yes, legs, correct. Okay, so let's write inside our Tatan book first. Let's write together. Okay, for A, you write here, okay, in the line inside your book A. Make sure you write on the line, okay? Be careful with the line here, okay? You have to practice your handwriting, all right? So let's write. A cat has four. Teacher will write together with you, okay? Let's start writing, everyone. A cat.
But I haven't done the title yet.
You haven't done the title yet? For those who haven't done with the title, can you continue writing A first? You do the title after this,
Okay.
because later we are going to discuss all these questions. Okay, so if you are writing the title first, then it will take some time for you
Teacher,
to work. Yes.
what is the first letter there?
A.
You're writing right now.
A cat.
Why
A.
need to write the small letters at the before
Oh,
the
this one. Oh, this one. A. Because we have three questions here. A, B, C. So we need to write this. Yeah. Yeah.
done with the cat. Okay.
Saiful, wait, Saiful. Saiful, wait, just now your friend was asking teaching questions, so you have to wait for a while, okay?
Yeah.
Yes, if.
Can I go get a cup of water?
Yes, you may go. Okay, so a cat has.
Why need to write the first letter?
We need to write the first letter because we have three questions, A, B, C. So we need to write the small letter A here so that you know, oh, this one is the question 1. B letter B, the question 2. Okay?
Okay.
As teacher don't have much space here, but if you don't, if you have space, okay, inside your book, you can continue writing, okay? Have 4. Have 4. Then here we have blank space here. For what? You have to write the answer. A cat has 4. This one 8. This one 4. For what?
Six.
6.
Six.
Feet. Okay. Alright, you can write inside your book. Okay, for B, what do we have here? The cat's fine hair is. Okay, the cat fine hair is the hair at the cat's body. Okay, at the cat's body, what do we call them?
Fur.
Fur. Good job. Yes, the cat's fine hair, we call it as fur. But we human, if we have, even if we have a hair, okay, at our hand or at our legs, okay, that one we don't call our hair as fur, okay? Only non-human. Other things, okay, other things, human is not one of them, okay? If we see the hair on animal, okay, so we're going to call it as a fur. Okay, for human, we don't call our fine hair as a fur, okay? Human not included, animals only. Okay, animals, we call their fine hair as a fur. Okay.
Teacher,
Yes.
the first one that you wrote, and then the second one that starts with B,
Yes, correct.
the one in the middle with the CEC,
Okay.
and then after that, what's that small like dot thingy?
Oh, this one is, we call it as apostrophe. Cats. Cat, C-A-T-S. We write this, I'm not sure you already learned this in English or
So
not.
that is S.
Yes, this one apostrophe S, to show that this fine hair, okay, this fine hair is belong to the cat. Belong to this cat. For example, teacher want to show about your water bottle. So this is Safia's water bottle. Water bottle that belong to Safia. Okay, that is when we use this one. Okay, Safia. Apostrophe S we use when we want to show anything belong to something or someone.
Teacher,
Yes?
how to spell fur?
Fur. How to spell fur? Okay. F U R. Fur. Fine hair in human, we don't call it as fur, okay? Please remember. Only on the fine hair on animal, we're going to call it as a fur. Okay, C. What do we have for C? The cat's claws are teacher, hope you guys can read my handwriting. If you cannot read, just tell teacher, okay? Okay, so the cat claws are, what is claw? Okay, at the cat little hand here. Okay, at the cat little hand. Okay, so they have the fur here. They have the fur. So here is what we call claws. So
Sharp.
yes, good job. Sharp. How to spell sharp? S. After that,
H.
H. Good job. After that,
E.
A.
R.
R.
P.
P. Well done. The cat's claws are sharp. Sharp. This one, sharp.
Teacher,
Yes.
I'm done writing A, B, and C.
Okay, you already done? Have you wrote the answer?
Teacher, I'm done with spell sharp.
You're done. Okay. This one, a cat has four what? Four what?
Leg.
4 legs. Okay. Alright. So that one is our first activity, number 1. Okay, so can you write number 2? Number 2 below our first activity, below means bawah, okay? Below the first activity just now. So, you already done with the revision of observation skills, okay? We're going to test your communication skills. Communication skills. What is communication skills? Okay. So this one, communication skills usually we have 3. Okay, we have 3. Orally, oral means when teacher asks you, you give
Teacher,
me the
I'm not done yet.
Not done yet? Okay, later teacher will show you the screen again. Okay, wait first, okay?
Okay.
Okay, teacher will show you the screen again after this. Okay, so communication skills usually we have 3, right? Oral. What is meant by oral is when teacher asks you question, you answer me. Okay, by talking to me. Okay, by telling me. Alright, that one is oral. Orals means you tell teacher the answer. Okay. Second one we have this one. In this picture. So how do we communicate? What is this? Okay.
Sketching.
Sketching. Good job. Sketching. Correct. Okay, so
Teacher,
yes.
the one that you told me to do just now, the one at the side of the EBC, I
Okay.
haven't done yet.
Oh no, that one teacher was just showing you what is meant by apostrophe and S. You don't have to copy that one.
Okay.
Okay. So this one, your friend already shared with us the answer just now, okay? And aside from sketching, we have this one. What is the second picture here?
Right.
Writing. Good job. Right. So, state 2 ways we can communicate. Okay, let's write inside your book. Okay. Okay, state. Okay, just now Fatima haven't done right. You can here, you can look at the first question. State. State means you have to give, okay? You have to write. State 2 ways.
Teacher, do we have to write that?
Yes. State 2 ways we can communicate. I'm sorry for my handwriting. I'm trying my best to use this pencil in the Jamboard. We can communicate.
Teacher, I'm not yet with that.
Not yet with what?
Stay.
State. Okay, it's okay. You can continue. Okay, so actually for P1, alright, after 9 a.m. it's time for your individual self-learning, alright? Individual self-learning. So later, after you already done with the activity in Tatan book, you can open your seesaw. Okay, teacher already prepared the activity for your individual self-learning, right? Okay, so you can write here number 1. Okay, just now, what is the first way we can communicate just now in the picture? Some of your friends already share with us the answer. Teacher hope you guys still remember, okay? Be careful with your handwriting. Make sure you write on the line, okay? Make sure you write on the line properly. For those who not done, wait for a while. Okay, wait for a while. Teacher need to wait. Don't be panic. Don't be panic. Wait. Wait for a while. Teacher